Hello students, myself Devesh Singh from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar. Dear students, this time we are proceeding our chapter French Revolution, and now today we are going to proceed a very important topic. Did women have a revolution? Yes, women have also a revolution. It was the event of 5th October 1789 when women marched to Versailles and they brought the king back with them to Paris. Students, from the very beginning, women were active participants in the events and which brought about so many important changes in a French society. Means especially the women found many changing in the French society. So they also decided to become active participants in the French society so that they could also make pressure over the government, that the government could make some improvement in the favor of the women, because at that time they were so much suffering in the French society. Most women of the third state had to work for a living. At that time, most of the women were forcibly worked to earn their living because the men of the families were busy in civil war, and to earn the living and also to make survive the children, the women had no extra income, so that they were also working here and there. Most women worked as seamstresses. Seamstresses means होता है सी टेलर, मीन्स टेलर जो होता है दर्जी, उसका जो फेमिनाइन जेंडर होता है उसको बोलते हैं सी टेलर, एंड उसकी मीनिंग सीमस्ट्रेसेस भी होती है. तो many women who has knowledge or idea about sewing, they started to work as seamstresses or laundresses. Laundresses means होता है washer women. washer women कपड़ा धोने वाला काम. Selling fruits, vegetables at the markets, and also they were domestic servants in the houses of prosperous people. Means the women who were suffering so much at that time to earn the living for their livelihood, they started to many work like that, seamstresses, selling fruits, vegetables, and also decided to work in the house of the wealthier people, because there was a great challenge before those women to earn their livelihood, as the men were busy in the civil war. Now, most women didn't have access to education or job training. At that time, many women who has no education, no job training, they were doing the job as a servant in the houses. As education level was very high in the society, it was very costly in the society, so only the daughters of nobility and the daughters and girls who belong to the wealthier people of the third states had only opportunities to get education in convent schools. Working women had also to care for their families, that is, cook, fetch water, queue up for bread, and look after the children. And the working women were also suffering so much to care their families. So they worked as cook. They also worked as fetch water, and they also standing in the queue for hours and hours for bread and also to look after their children. And the reason goes to the time, because the industrialists were not providing them the proper wages, as they were getting only half wages or of more than a little of the half wages of the men employees in the workshop factories. So due to the lack of wages, they were suffering so much uh, to earn their living properly in the society. Now, the women also started to discuss to raise their voice and also to increase their interest in to start their own political clubs and in the field of newspaper, because the women got idea that they also seek opportunity. They also must seek opportunities in the political fields uh, to get their place in equal role. So about 60 women's clubs came up in different French societies very soon, and the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was most famous of them. One of their main demand was that women enjoy the same political rights as men. And after starting the political clubs, the women demanded in the open street that they also wanted to enjoy the same political rights as men. And they were disappointed at that time so much, because the constitution of 1791 in France reduced their powers. There means here women, and the constitution of 1791 pushed all the women towards the group of passive citizens. Towards the group of passive citizens. Okay, and the passive citizens people has no political rights too. They demanded the right to vote, to be elected to the assembly, and to hold political office. Only then they felt to their interest be represented in the new governments. And in the early years, the revolutionary government also tries to introduce many laws, the laws that is helpful for the women in the society, so that there could be creation of state schools, and schooling must be made compulsory for all the girls, because at that time it was the chief demand of the women that schooling must be made for all the girls in the society, maybe they belong to rich or poor society. Okay. And the father will also no longer force them into marriage against their will. मीन्स उनके पेरेंट्स जो हैं जो ज़बरदस्ती उनसे शादी करवाने के लिए फोकस करते थे, इस चीज़ पर भी एक नियम बनाने की डिमांड हुई कि पेरेंट्स भी ज़बरदस्ती शादी के लिए फोकस ना करें, एक कम एज में शादी वाली जो सिस्टम थी उसको ख़त्म किया जा सके. सो दिस ऑल वाज द ग्रेट डिमांड ऑफ द वीमेन एट दैट टाइम. They means the women also demanded at that time that there must be made a contract into the family in the society, that the women entered freely and registered. The marriage must be entered in a contract freely and registered under the civil war, and divorce also must be made legal there, and it could be applied by the both women and men, because at that time the men cheated the women in the society, and finally they had to suffer so much in the society after the great cheating by those men. So this such type of demand was made by the women in the society to get their rights there, and this was known as the women's revolution in the French society. Okay students, now we will proceed the next topic in the video. Till then, you enjoy this day. This was a little topic, it has ended, and now we will meet on the next day. Goodbye everyone.